Last summer, Sony and Honda announced that they were serious about building electric cars together. A new joint venture was minted with talk of building cars right at a new facility in Ohio. Orders were to begin in 2025, and the joint company showed off the concept car several times. All that was left to learn was the name. And that name is Afeela? Afeela? That's the brand Sony and Honda will create together, announced at the 2023 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. According to the company, Afeela expresses an interactive relationship where people feel mobility as an intelligent entity, and mobility feels people using, sensing, and network IT technologies. Sony Honda Mobility also revealed a new concept car meant to showcase the kind of design we can expect for the production of Afeela. It carries over the same cues of the original concept car, like the black roof and the arched silhouette, but mostly everything else has been smoothed over. Out front, there's a light bar that can communicate information like the battery charge level or weather forecast, and inside you get all the usual EV trimmings like a steering yoke and tons of screens. Overall, the Afeela looks a lot like other electric car concepts, but I'm not just feeling that name.
Move this man!
For more EV news, check out jalopnik.com.